So ever since the UPSC 2026 paper came out, I have seen two extreme situations, and I'm going to be very, very careful when I say this. One group of students, they are saying that UPSC exam has become impossible now. You cannot get through it. Second group is saying that nothing can be predicted anymore. आप कुछ predict ही नहीं कर सकते हो. Today, I'm going to present to you a third perspective. And the third perspective basically says that you need to be calm. I'm going to offer you a calm perspective. You need to be balanced. And I'm going to use evidence to support my theories. Whatever I'm going to share in this session today, I'm going to provide you evidence, not emotions. Over the last few days, I have traced 28 questions from Prelims 2026 in GS paper to the very basic sources, the Hindu newspaper, the Indian Express newspaper, and also the PIB. These are the three sources that I traced these 28 questions which came in Prelims 2026. 28 questions मतलब 28 into 2 कर लो, 56 marks from these sources. Okay. Now, does that mean the paper was easy? Absolutely not. Paper was not easy. Does that mean everyone should have scored 100 plus marks? Again, absolutely no. But it does tell us something very important. UPSC may change the pattern. UPSC may increase the difficulty, or you can say the toughness of the question paper. UPSC may surprise you, but UPSC still rewards students who are consistently connected to the sources, authentic sources. And today I'm going to show you all those 28 questions with proof. Not to prove that paper was easy, but to prove that panic is not a strategy. Going back to basics is the right strategy. Okay? Now you have to understand one thing, that you are mature enough. You might be in the age group of, let's say, 22 to 30, right? Is age group se to majority students would be belonging to. And it is a very mature age group because this is the time when you are thinking about your career. Am I right? Career के बारे में ही सोचते हो ना इस time पर. You are thinking about becoming financially stable, of, getting social security, etc. This is the time now. You don't think about social security and financial status and career after 45 or 50, right? This is the time period, 22 to 30 के एज पीरियड. इस एज टाइम में आप लोग सोचते हो कि करियर स्टेबिलिटी आए, तो ऐसा कुछ करियर चूज करते हैं जो थोड़ा सा स्टेबिलिटी दिखे. सो इफ इन दिस एज ग्रुप यू आर फॉलोइंग प्रे टू कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, then I must say that you have to, be a little mature and little wise and just talk to your parents or anyone who is much more mature and wiser than you are. Coaching institutes are fooling students, nothing else. I think many aspirants today are overwhelmed because there are simply too many resources available, and you have to understand, when there is TMI, too much information, वहाँ पर ही panic create होता है. Only then we get panic, right? I am not against any magazine. We ourselves on Super Kalam, we have released magazines. I am not against coaching material. I am not against current affair compilation. All of them have their own utility. But sometimes in our attempt to collect every resource, we disconnect from the original source itself, which is the basic newspaper. जो original source है हमारे करंट अफेयर्स का, हम उससे डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं बिकॉज वी आर रनिंग आफ्टर कंपाइलेशंस इन मैगजीन्स. एंड व्हेन दैट हैपेंस, वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कोचिंग एग्जामिनेशंस इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी. ट्रस्ट मी. ओके. Newspaper is not important because questions are coming directly from it. Newspaper is important because it trains your mind to think the way UPSC thinks. For example, chalo, वैसे I will share this particular document with all of you, okay, on our Telegram community. The link of the Telegram community is given below in the description box. All these questions and the article directly from the Hindu newspaper, from where these questions directly have been created. And even they were covered in our DNA, because obviously DNA तो हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस दोनों को कवर करता है ना, तो वहाँ पर भी कवर्ड था. Now, let me start with a very, very important question as an example so that you understand कि man, this is very easy for you to say question came from the newspaper, but then how to solve it? Some questions were very absurd, some questions were very tough. For example, look at this question, black box. The question said, which of the following statements with regard to black boxes used in modern aircrafts is or are correct? They carry a beacon emitting red light pulses to facilitate underwater detection. There was a news because of Ahmedabad plane crash. Black boxes were in news in 2025. But how will we know that first statement is right or wrong? They are talking about underwater detection. Many students were asking, ma'am, how would anyone know that a black box carry underwater beacon when the Air India crash wasn't even underwater? This is an excellent question. And this is exactly how UPSC will test us. The newspaper article was not teaching us only about the crash which happened. It was introducing us with the concept of black box. Once UPSC introduces a concept, they will test peripheral facts. They will test peripheral in and around facts related to that concept. ये आपको PYQs के through तो अभी तक समझ जाना चाहिए था. A topper will not memorize every line in the newspaper. A topper becomes curious about the concept. For example, black box designed for worst case scenarios. Aircraft can crash into ocean also. Therefore, underwater locator beacon makes practical sense. Yes or not? जल्दी से बताओ. Am I right or am I wrong? So even if I give these 28 questions to you today, many of you still would not score 56 marks. Why? Because knowing the source and solving a UPSC question are two different skills. आपने पढ़ा, आप सबने पढ़ा होगा, ये genome study के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा, right? You must have studied about quantum lag. You must have studied about deep ocean mission in PIB. But how many of you were able to remember or retain it was the real test in the exam. यही था real test. And let us also be honest, there is always an element of uncertainty in prelims. Two equally prepared students can have different outcomes. Sometimes a guesswork works. Sometimes a guess fails. And that uncertainty is real. But luck works best when preparation creates opportunities for it. You cannot control the final 5%, but you can control the first 95%. And that is your strong basics. Yes or no? So please do not make the mistake of preparing for UPSC 2027 after seeing UPSC 2026. ऐसे मत सोचना कि अरे 2026 का ये पेपर था, चलो अब इसी लाइन में कोचिंग ये बोल रही है कि भाई वी आर लॉन्चिंग दिस कोर्स टू केटर टू द अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ 2026. नो, डू नॉट प्रिपेयर लाइक दैट. प्रिपेयर फॉर UPSC. UPSC has kept one thing unchanged over the last so many years, which is the basics. तो मेक श्योर इस बार आप किसी भी तरीके के क्लिक बेट में ना फंसो और बेसिक्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. That's it. If there is one message I want you to take away from today's session, it is this: do not confuse complexity with quality. अरे ये तो इतने सारे 200 पेजेस के साइंस एंड टेक के इन्वायरमेंट के नोट्स आ रहे हैं भैया, 250 पेजेस में कवर हो रहा है पूरा, चलो इसको देते हैं. 80 पेजेस में कवर हो रहा है, चलो इसको ले लेते हैं. नहीं. Do not confuse the number of resources with preparation. Do not confuse panic with seriousness. UPSC 2026 was difficult, but difficulty is not the same as randomness. When I traced these 28 questions back to the newspapers and basic current affairs sources, I was reminded of something very simple, that the foundation still matters. Foundation matter karta hai. Consistency still matters. And the ability to think calmly under pressure still matters. So instead of thinking what new resource should I buy, you have to start asking, have I mastered the resources I already have? And if you look closely, 2000, this particular news in PIB was in 2025, 2026, 2025, 2026, 2025, ठीक है, 2024. That means UPSC is asking at least last 1.5 years current affairs from your exam date. From your exam date. This is what UPSC is asking. Last 1.5 years. So even if you start today, make sure आज से तो आपको from today onwards you have to be consistent. But if you have missed any particular news of previous day, Then instead of going through the magazine, you can do that. That is also one such option, because obviously how else will you cover the backlogs? Other thing is Super Kalam's DNA is there. You can go through that also. You can go through magazine. But starting from today, which is 30, आज क्या डेट हो गई हमारी 30th May, make sure from 30th May onwards or 31st May onwards, you go through daily newspaper reading. Because whatever is there in PIB, it will always be reflected in the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express newspaper also. PIB में जो भी आता है वो 1-2 दिन बाद न्यूज़पेपर में ज़रूर आ जाता है. So make sure you have the PIB application in your phone, and daily either the Hindu or the Indian Express you are reading, and that is daily, and on Saturday and Sunday you are revising the weekly current affairs that you have read. That should be your priority, guys. That should be your priority. ये बहुत लंबी वीडियो नहीं, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. क्यों वेस्ट करूं टाइम जब एविडेंस आपके आंखों के सामने है. इंडिया AI समिट वाज इन न्यूज, क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड. So obviously you have to understand one important thing, that 28 questions getting solved only through basic resources, and most of you will say, man, we studied the newspaper daily. But now the question is, were you able to retain it? If not, then why? What is the reason? That means revision was not proper. Revision nahi hui hogi. Or that means you must be overwhelming yourself with different YouTube videos or crash courses or other resources, other particular booklets or PDFs of current affairs. आपने अपने आप को overwhelm कर लिया होगा अब तक. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? So even if you are a working professional or a college student, you have to understand that basics are something that is going to be your game changer. ये basic strong है क्या आपके? ये आंसर मुझे आपको comment section में देना है. You have to tell me in the comment section, are your basics strong? Or are you sticking to your basics? Yes or no? Forget about all the other questions. These 28 questions which I have highlighted in the document on Telegram community, the link is given to this document. Please go through this document and tell me honestly, out of all these 28 questions, at least these 28 questions were you able to solve? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? 28 मतलब 56 मार्क्स. क्या ये 56 मार्क्स आपके हाथ में थे? हाँ या ना? आपको बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट होके मुझे आंसर देना होगा. टफ था, एब्सर्ड क्वेश्चंस काफी थे. मैं तो सिर्फ 28 क्वेश्चंस बताए हैं ना. बहुत से ऐसे क्वेश्चन थे जो बहुत एब्सर्ड थे. एक क्वेश्चन तो यूपीएससी ने रिमूव भी कर दिया क्योंकि स्टेटमेंट ही ऐसे फॉर्म किए थे यूपीएससी ने. बट क्या ये क्वेश्चंस हमारे हाथों में थे? देखो इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में पूरा चार्ट आया था. इट कुड हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड थ्रू दिस चार्ट. सो नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. PIB में Dhruv 64, it was in the Hindu newspaper also, and see the question was asked on it. Then over here, German Chancellor Friedrich Merz India's visit. Again, UPSC ने यहाँ पर देख लो क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. Jan 2026. अब आपको I have told you now, this also I have shown you how many months or years current affairs are important. Now you have to tell me in the comment section, what is that one area which now if you calmly question yourself, you will find कि यहाँ पर we were a bit lacking, थोड़ा सा lacking हो रहा था. Be honest in your answer. I am not saying, please, I am repeating it again. Listen to me carefully. Prelims 2026 had a new pattern. It was tough. Questions were lengthy. Some questions were absurd also. But these 28 questions which I had sourced directly from the Hindu newspaper, the editorials. कितनी बार मैं पिछले 3 साल से रो रही हूँ, चिल्ला रही हूँ कि एडिटोरियल पढ़ लो. कितने बच्चे आप में से हैं जो पढ़ते हैं? 1% बस. So I'm just, showing you what exactly has happened. Are you listening to the noise on social media, or are you calmly finding a solution, or looking at the problems which are involved here? देखो इधर Western Bullock Gibbons in the Hindu newspaper. See, Jan 2, 2026, recent current affair, everyone, recent current affair. बताओ गलती कहाँ हुई है, ये बताओ आप लोग मुझे. You have to tell me what was the mistake. And I'm waiting honestly for your answers. Trust me, I'm waiting honestly for your answers.